Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Manisha from Vedic Diets, wishing you a very happy Women's Day to every female on this universe. Today I would like to give some health tips for the females. Like number one, that you can manage your stress better. Like take out a 10 minutes in a day to manage your stress. Do whatever makes you happy, because I completely understand that everyone has their own family responsibilities, children responsibilities, husband responsibilities. So take out 10 minutes for yourself. Do whatever makes you happy so that you can manage your stress. Number second, have a good sleep. So at least take 7 hours of sound sleep so that your body heal itself, and you'll see there is a great impact on your mood swings and your energy levels when you sleep good. Number third, that be active. Do whatever you want to do, just dance, do like household work, or you can play with your child, but be active. And the third and most important thing, that you need to kick out all the fat diets from your lifestyle. Have balanced meal and take all the seasonal vegetables, pulses, fruits, and be healthy, stay healthy. Again, like I try to collect a lot of healthy messages from our lovely females and would like to share with you. And if you want to share with us as well, do comment.
I wish all the women out there a very happy Women's Day.
Hello everyone, myself Deepa Maheshwari. First of all, happy Women's Day to all my beautiful ladies. आज मैं आपसे बात करने आई हूँ हेल्थ को लेकर। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी हम लेडीजों की बॉडी कितना डिहाइड्रेट करने लगती है। उसका मेन रीजन है कि हम प्रॉपर मात्रा में पानी नहीं लेते हैं। तो हमें अपनी बॉडी को हाइड्रेट करने के लिए पूरे दिन में 2 से 3 लीटर पानी लेना चाहिए, जिससे हमारी बॉडी हाइड्रेट करने लगेगी और आपकी स्किन पे ग्लो साफ दिखेगा।
Hello everyone, wish a very happy Women's Day to all beautiful ladies. I would like to say that to eat healthy breakfast, adequate exercise, don't take stress, and be happy always. Thank you.
Happy Women's Day to all. My dear friends, I want to share a good healthy tip for you all. Please always stay positive and be happy.
Happy Women's Day everyone. Remember and celebrate who you are. Stay happy, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, happy Women's Day to all lovely women and Vedic Diet team. I would like to say, if you want to start healthy habits in your life, so make changes now, okay? And do start some exercises and eat balanced nutrition, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy Women's Day. Today I want to share with you a quick tip to stay healthy and to stay fit, to see difference in productivity levels, and that is ensure that you take 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. Adjust it to your timetable and see the differences. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sonal Gangotri. Happy Women's Day all of you. सभी वुमेंस को अपना हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, जैसे मैं रख रही हूँ मनीषा मैम के साथ मिलकर। तो आप भी अपना ध्यान रखिए सभी। हैप्पी वुमेंस डे।
Happy Women's Day. बोलो। To all the lovely ladies. All the lovely ladies. Yes, bye. Love you all.
Hello everyone, wish you a very happy Women's Day to all beautiful ladies. Stay healthy and take care.
Hello ladies, on this Women's Day, we wish you and we want you to be healthy, sleep good and feel good. Yo!
Happy Women's Day to all lovely ladies. Eat balanced diet. All food groups are included in your daily diet to be healthy. Stay healthy.
Happy Women's Day and stay healthy with dietitian Manisha. Thank you.